Hi friends, today we are at 538 Post Oak Lane in Riesel, Texas. This home sits on 20 acres. It's about 10 minutes from everything Waco, but out in the middle of actual nowhere. There's a pond on the property, more trees than one human could ever count. The home itself has 6 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Multiple bedrooms have ensuite restrooms, and the kitchen, just wait and see. I'm excited to show you this one. Let's take a look. Need some space and take it. Gave my heart, don't break it. Need some space and take it. I don't think you need it. As we enter this beautiful home, we're greeted with a huge dining, formal living, sitting space that can be anything you need it to be. Over here we have the specific dining space with these beautiful built-in oak cabinets. Behind me, the beautiful statement fireplace, full brick wall, so pretty. We'll head through this beautiful brick arch that leads through our kitchen. We'll check out this lovely sun porch, breakfast nook, whatever you needed this space to be, and check out the living room. So huge living space in here. They obviously have a large couch, so spacious. New windows, fresh paint, new flooring in here as well. And over here, this is a functioning wet bar. So you can be in here and have your guests over and make some drinks, wash your hands, whatever. Let's check out the kitchen, which is recently renovated, all custom cabinets that were from a pre-existing home. So these are all solid oak cabinets. This beautiful farm sink. Everything in here is custom and specifically made for this space. As we head a little bit further this way, we have coffee bar cabinet here. These roll back so you can tuck away and make your coffee. Back this way, we do have a huge laundry space, pantry, and then down the stairs through the door, you have a little guest suite space. It is connected to the house. It has a second living space in there, a full bedroom, full bath, walk-in closet, perfect for older kids, mother-in-law, or just guests. Let's go check out the main house bedrooms. All right, we're back in this main dining living space. I just love this brick wall. It was from the original home. I love that they kept it even with all the renovations. So let's head down to the bedrooms that are on this end of the house. So we have 3 full bedrooms over here and 2 full baths. Over here we have the kids' bedroom. It has this cute built-in play space, large closet, leads to the Jack and Jill bathroom, brand new tub surround, beautiful new vanity, and that leads into a second bedroom on this end of the house. Again, beautifully updated, fresh paint, fresh flooring, large closet space. And then as we head in this space, we have a little kitchenette space off of the back porch. So sink here, space for an extra fridge, countertop, perfect for cooking outside or dining outside. We can do all of that stuff on this end of the house. We head into, if you've been keeping count, the 4th full bedroom. So this bedroom is, again, super spacious, has an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower and a huge closet, everything new, fresh paint, fresh flooring. So pretty, great for your guests or family, whatever we need this space for. So excited to show you one more bedroom and the primary. Let's head this way. We are back again in this main living space. One of my favorite features of this home is that all of the bedrooms kind of spider off this space where we can all come together and gather. So for big families or people who host a lot. This space is just ideal. Let's head down this hallway to 2 more bedrooms. We have 1 full guest bedroom here and a full bathroom. Again, another completely redone, new tub, new shower surround, new vanity, paint, fixtures, everything. Heading down this way, we're going to check out the massive primary suite. So this room is so spacious, so large, slightly isolated, but really just feels so cozy and perfect in here. So again, new flooring, paint, everything, and an updated primary bathroom with a large walk-in closet, dual vanities, a walk-in tiled shower, super custom. Everything was thought out and done so lovely. We're going to end this home in a place we don't normally end it in, on the front porch, because that, I think, is where you will spend the most time at this property. Let's take a look. What did I tell you? This front porch is so dreamy. For context, it's late August in Central Texas. It was 98 degrees today, and it is comfortable out here because of the shade and the trees, not to mention the seclusion. There is no one around for a minimum of 20 acres. That's how big this property is. And we are 10 minutes from everything downtown Waco. So this property is so gorgeous. It literally has it all and then some. If you like this property and you have any more questions, let us know. If you like seeing videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, rate, review. See you on the next one.